everyone, it's Cyndi. I am getting ready for my big Christmas open house here at the studio. So I am tearing things up and putting things back together, and I thought I would share. I'm going to be putting out some of my own creations, and hopefully I'll get some time to make some more. I'm not going to open to the public until November 19th, and yeah, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Let me show you what I've done. All right, so I tore down this whole area, and when I rearrange stuff, I find it helpful if I pack everything up and just get it out of the way, and then put back what I want to put back later. So I've done all of this. I've set that up over there. I'm going to have to get some sort of power strip for those lights and whatever so I can light them up. And that stuff over there is going to come down. This is all going to kind of, this area here, let me back up for you. Whoops, don't trip. That whole area right there is going to be Christmas. I'm going to put up my aluminum Christmas tree right there. I took down all of that area, redid that. I like to redo it every once in a while, just in case somebody steps in that's been here before, so that things look new and fresh. That's always important. But anyways, I've said it before, every time I go to do something, every time I go to fix something, organize something or whatever, it just becomes a mess until it gets better. It's no different in here. Everything's all over. I'm also getting ready for a sale Wednesday. Today's Monday, and then a sale on Saturday. So I've been pulling out all of my Christmas, trying to see what I have and get that, you know, all squared away. I will probably film some more the next couple of days, but just so I don't forget, my open house here at the studio is Saturday, November 19th from noon to 4. So if you do live in the Northeast Ohio area, I would love for you to stop by. Just come on by. I have put the address of the studio in the description. Today is Tuesday. I did get a whole bunch of other stuff done here in the studio, so I'm going to turn around and show you. And I am on my way to another Door Number 2 event. We are getting ready to have a little kickoff for a big collaborative project that they're going to be doing here in town. So I'm looking forward to that. But let me turn you around and show you what I've been doing in the studio. So first thing you can see is that I got the aluminum Christmas tree put up. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in here. Look at all the red and green. So I've just been putting things out, rearranging things, putting them in different locations than they were before. I do have a bunch of new items that have gone out and that will go out. And then all of the older things that I took off of those other shelves over there, they're in boxes, and some of them will go back in there, but a lot of them I think I'm going to keep in boxes. We'll just pull them out again another time and make them fresh. I'm not sure if I want to pull out the pictures and put them over here somehow, and then hang pictures on this and then change that up a bit. I don't know. I like to change things up. It keeps things fresh. It keeps things interesting. So yeah, this is what I have done so far. So yep, I'm still, you know, it's so funny. I thought I had so much vintage Christmas, but then I started putting stuff out. And I'm like, well, I still need more. Today is Thursday. I always try to post my art vlogs on Friday, so I'm going to go ahead and take you on a little tour of what I've done since I talked to you last. And then I'll get it out tomorrow. If you like vintage Christmas, and I'm betting that you do, we are having a huge vintage Christmas marathon sale tomorrow, November 5th, over on YouTube. It starts at 10 a.m. on Junk Drunk Mantiques YouTube channel. Sorry for the shaking. And goes from 10 to 1 there, 1 to 4 on Thrifter Junker Vintage Hunter, 4 to 7 on Mother Tucker's Antiques, and that's where I'm going to be at 4 o'clock. And then from 7 to 10 over on The Traveling Button on YouTube. So yes, full day full of wonderful vintage Christmas. If you're interested, check us out over there. Again, it's my other channel, Mimi's Treasure Cottage, that you'll see there. But let me turn you around and I will show you where I'm at. Didn't get a whole lot done because I was busy with the sale and then shipping, but I did get some stuff done. So I think that the last thing that I showed you was that I got the vintage or the aluminum tree up. And so I did get some other stuff taken care of, moved around. You know, I still, I'll pan down. I still have a whole bunch of stuff in boxes that has to go out. I did start trying to assemble today, kind of where I want things, a little bit anyway. You probably saw some of this. I did put these out. I made sure the other day that all of my blow molds will light up. And I bought light up kits from Amazon to replace any that did not light up. I have the vintage Christmas tree somewhere. I have replacement bulbs that I bought for it. I just have to find those. I don't know where I put them. I attached an extension cord down there so that I can light that up. I started putting some other things over here. That big blow mold back there, pretty sure it lights up. I may not have tested that. I have to test it before my open house. That one's going to go by open house. I don't believe I'm going to try to sell that online at all because it's huge. And then, I put I love these trophy things with Christmas trees in them. Isn't that fun? I have to remind myself that I have to secure that, though. It does wobble. So I put this over here. I bought this beautiful clip rack at the World's Longest Yard Sale in August. And so I have to, assemble little packages so I can use it. That means more work for me. So I did a little bit of stuff over there. I did empty off, I think you didn't see this, I emptied off those shelves and I added the stuff there. And what I was doing was moving stuff there that used to be over there. And then I'm going to put more of just my regular fare over there because Christmas basically is going to take over most of the space. So stuff has to be boxed and put away. I did move stuff over here. I'm probably going to move it around. My biggest thing is that I have to remind myself to come back through and price everything. And more importantly, to take off the price tags that for how much I paid for them. I don't want somebody to, try to buy something for what I paid for it because that doesn't make sense, right? Anyway, this is where I got. It's always a process and I am enjoying it and I'm really trying to avoid the urge to turn on Christmas music and drink wine while I'm decorating. That's what I do at home. But anyway, so thanks for joining me. Hey, if you like this sort of thing, if you like the vlog, not a lot of art going on right now, but if you like the whole vlog aspect of my business, which actually doubles as art and vintage, do go ahead and subscribe, click the like button, and don't forget to leave me a comment. As I always say, even an emoji, it helps. It helps the YouTube algorithm and it helps the channel get noticed. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. So if you do live in the Northeast YouTube channel, is it? No. If you like Christmas, and I'm betting, or